Hi guys, it's Jackie from the basement. Happy with the Twist Acrylic Pours Plus. Here's what I did last time. This is the end results. I don't know if you'll be able to see the glitter that I did put on there. Yes, I did. I'm quite pleased with this. So tonight we're going to do something very different, and I do not know if it's going to turn out or not. Let me grab a 12 by 12 and of course, there we go. And I have got a special, I've never seen anybody do this. I'm not sure if anybody has or not, but I have a steamer. And of course you can see these are missing in spots. I have another one upstairs. I thought, you know what? Let's try and pour through this. So, and there's going to be another little added surprise. We're going to use the color wheel to select our colors. Okay, let me make sure this is level. And all right, here we have it. That looks good. And that's okay. Let's see if we can just a little bit more. Okay. Now if I have to pick it up and tilt it, I'm going to try to remember where it's at. I hope everybody's doing well this Sunday, excuse me, late afternoon. It is 6:16 Eastern Standard Time. Alrighty, so this might be good, this might be bad. We will find out. So, and now let's get this turned on and get the spinner running. Okay, there's my guy. Here's my guy. Okay. Okay. All right, let's spin the colors and see what it comes up with. Alrighties. We're going to start off with blue. Well, I don't know what blue to use. If I set it over here, yes, you can still see it. Okay. Alrighty. We're going to start out with the ultramarine blue, I believe, which is by Artist Loft, I think. So, this should be a different, that was weird. Okay. Just going to pour some around here. And I'm hoping it's going to go to the bottom. Yes, it is dripping down. Okay. All right. Whew. Next color. Orange. Okay, orange. I'm going to have to look around for some of these. I got them in all different places. We're going to use the Deco Art Americana Neon Torrid Orange. Yikes. I don't have all my colors on here, and I wish I did now. If this is a flub up, you're not going to see it. How's that sound? Alrighty. Spin it again. Oh, they want black. Okay. Where's the black? There's the black. Let's use the Amsterdam black. Make sure. Okay, that is going down. Alrighty. Amsterdam oxide black, which should give us some cells if we're lucky. Alrighty. Next. Light green. Okay. I almost called that. Alrighty. Because I was looking at this jadeite, which is Deco Art Extreme Sheen Jadeite. This should give us some cells. Now this is turning out pretty Halloween, isn't it? Huh. so far. Alrighties. I had to turn the heat back on. My goodness. It was 60 in the house. Eek. Alright. I guess blah blah blah. I just gotta keep on checking down here. Okay. Now we're gonna go with white. Okay. I can either use the Artist Loft white, or I could go with Folk Art Glow in the Dark. Boy, that's... which to use? Let's go with the Glow in the Dark. This isn't releasing too well, is it? Oh yeah, I never did take care of that clog in this dang bottle. Okay. If it comes up again, I'll just remove the lid altogether and pour it that way. And for our next color, it says gold. Where's the gold? Alrighty, we got enough of that left. Oh, it's coming out down there. It is. Alright. Next. Are you guys having as much fun as I am? The suspense, right? Okay, a light blue. Alright, we use our handy dandy Deco